that pretty cool? Is that pretty cool? I'm trying to get a good angle here. Hi, sweetie.
I see you. I see
you. I think he thinks that's pretty cool. Did you learn how to do it, Cruzy? Did you discover that you can make it talk to you? Hey! What if I turn you this way a little bit? Better angle. Is that funny?
Hello there.
Hello there. It is bedtime for Bonzo over here. Yes, it is. But I just thought that it was real cute. Him playing with his toy. Push something. Push. Chris, look at Chris's hair's getting this blonde. He's getting blonde underneath. Like he's getting these little blonde pieces, like real blonde, like white, coming in. It's not the best angle. It's really cute. Okay. See that pile of clothes? Yep, it's the never-ending pile of Cruz's clothes. Oh, and what's this? One more pile of clothes. They will be gone tomorrow, because I will fold them. Okay, bye, Cruz. Bye. Bye. Bye, bud. Bye. Bye, Cruzy. Boo. Boo. Bye, buddy.